Welcome to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're working on a Raptor. We got the Raptor inside the shop. We got the frame inside. We're ready to start stripping it down and get it ready for some paint. Make it look good. You know, get all that surface rust off, make it nice and clean, because we're gonna try to make this truck nice and almost like brand new.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, we're putting a lot of work and time into it. Might as well do it right. It's gonna last a long time. We're putting all these new parts on it, so it's gonna be great.
Yeah, and we're also doing a giveaway. All you have to do is comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram. All the info is going to be in the description below. But let's get to work, guys.
All right, guys, going at it, getting dirty. Some of my buddies said one time, like, oh, you're a mechanic, get your hands dirty. Oh, I can't do that. And I was like, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I mean, for sure, it's your job. You're gonna get dirty. Then if you think about it, like, the head CEO, the boss of bosses, left his corner office, came down, got his hands dirty, fixing things. So, you know, if Jesus Christ could do that for me, leave all that, come down, get his hands dirty, show me the great example. Who am I to think that I can't get my hands dirty fixing stuff? It's all good. Let's keep going.
Alright, Michael, what'd you do?
Alright, so basically I got the rear end taken apart. We're gonna work on the frame itself. Try to get rid of that surface rust. We're gonna recoat it with some kind of protective, I don't know what we're gonna put right now. Either the bed liner or some like tough primer stuff. We'll see. We'll see what we got. I'm gonna work my way to the front, get rid of the brake lines, wire harness.
You know what that thing, Michael, is?
Yes, this is for the exhaust. Give me a second. I know what it is.
Oh, Michael,
Black,
you can do this.
it's not the black box. It's the
Come on, you can do it. Charcoal canister.
Charcoal canister. There it is. Yeah.
One day, Michael, one day. What system is it for?
It's for the exhaust. So like
no.
It's for evap.
Yeah.
Something.
For what? The fuel system.
Emissions. Yeah.
Emissions.
That's
We
what I
need
said.
emissions, guys. This truck does.
Oh yeah, because then your check engine light comes on, evap, all that kind of stuff. So definitely gonna replace this. Brake lines we're gonna replace all the way down. So
We're
that's
gonna
all.
strip down the frame so we can get it coated with something.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice and shiny and new. All right, Michael, keep up the good work.
Let's do it. All right, kind of got paused a little bit. I was trying to take these wheels off, but they all have special lug nuts on them, and I need a special wheel lock to get them off. Happens a lot, actually. I'm kind of happy they're on there because then the rims stayed on. Sometimes the rims get stolen or disappear if they don't have these wheel locks. All I got is this thing. You basically just beat it on there, and then you get one off, and I did in the front. I'm gonna take this to a tire place where they sell rims and stuff, and hopefully they have the wheel lock that I need because they're everywhere. That front end was kind of a pain in the butt. Man, what a puzzle. But I'm getting it. I'm gonna keep going.
Looking good.
Got all that apart. Still gotta take the brake lines out. Strip it all of it off. Get this stuff off. Engine mounts. The bed mounts. We keep going. Oh yeah, and I went to the tire shop and I got me my key. Worked out great. Fits right on. Makes my life a lot easier. Alrighty, get the frame outside, getting it purple powered, getting it cleaned, then wash it off, getting it prepped for paint. Alright, getting the frame all ready. I got my, basically it's a applied directly over rust, protector, rust prevention, coating. It's It's made for frames, so it should be good stuff. Glossy black. Permanent. Sounds good. Let's get it on there. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I have an appointment to get to tonight, so I gotta wrap up. But it's coming along. I definitely need a little bit more work, prep work. But it's cleaning up and getting ready. Tomorrow I'm gonna paint it. Put a nice fresh coat of that Armor All, whatever protective, anti-rust stuff. It's gonna look great. Till the morning. All right, it's a new day. We got the frame all ready, prepped up for paint. It's been dried out since last night, so I'm ready for it. I'm gonna go at it. Hopefully it turns out great.
So we're gonna be using this kind of stuff, guys. We looked online and see what people recommended. This with a little bit of surface rust that we got. We don't have it rusting out, nothing like that. But that will cover good and give a nice color. Shiny, glossy black. So let's get to it.
Do it.
And this time I'm gonna help Michael.
Really nice. Super happy about it. It probably would have been easier to spray it, but this stuff seems like it's really thick, and probably have a lot less overspray doing it this way. A little bit more work, but I think it'll turn out really nice. But this stuff's laying down really nice.
Looking good. Lift it up and get the underneath.
All right, Michael, how's it going?
Pretty good. Getting underneath it, trying to make sure, you know, we cover it all.
Do you think we should have just sprayed it instead of pushing it?
Definitely next time we're gonna spray it, yeah. But I feel like we put a nice thick coat on it. We're really rubbing in every single inch of it, so.
And we're not gonna get runs.
Yeah, it's taking more time, but we're going at it.
Yeah, so it's turning out really nice. I still think I did more than you, but.
Whatever, you did the outside. I'm doing everything else.
All right, let's get back to it.
All right, we got the frame painted. Turned out super nice, super glossy. It's gonna dry. It's gonna take at least a day or so for it to completely cure, so we're not gonna scratch it anymore. Putting the new stuff on there, but we still got work to do. We're gonna, take apart the cab, but that's gonna be next episode. So we're ready to pick the winners for the giveaway.
Yeah, we got a lot done. I mean, we got some completely torn apart, got it cleaned, prepped, and painted, so I feel pretty good about that. Getting ready for all the new parts. Since we have that, we're gonna start taking apart that cab, like you said. But yeah, let's go inside and find those winners. All right, guys. Favorite part of the day, it's time to give our giveaways away. Rhymes.
But here's one, guys, and then here's another one.
Made a couple. Yeah.
So we got a bunch of them.
Yeah, so you got chances to win.
But we're gonna pick 3 right now. Michael has a loaded. How many comments do we have, Michael?
We have 633 comments.
Heck yeah, guys.
Good job. Keep commenting and enter the chance to win.
Let's go. First one.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, John J. Egg Grow. Congrats, you wrote Raptor. That's all you need to do. You're our first winner. Let's go for the second one. 3, 2, 1. Chad Reynolds, you won as well. Congrats. You wrote Raptor.
Oh, look. Read his comment.
Yeah, you've been really trying to win for a while now. Hey, congrats. We always, misspell your name or mispronounce it. I do, my bad. I'm trying. But this time, Chad, you won. Congrats, bro.
All right, let's pick number 3.
All right, and our final winner is going to be Apollo Raptor.
There we go. He did it. Don't forget, guys, we're going to do 3 more. So just Comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram.
Make sure to send us an email or a message.
We'll see you in the next one.